We're in week 2 of rehearsals. It's really exciting to see it all come together.
It's fantastic. It's great seeing the work starting to come alive.
The company have come together so quickly that I think it feels like we've been making the show for a long time and we've been talking about it for such a long time, and we're just tumbling ahead, creating as much stuff as we can.
It was just really exciting to finally have it become a reality.
Hearing the read-through and hearing it come alive with Welsh voices was really special.
Having all these Welsh actors in the room, some actors who've been around for years doing amazing work for a long time, and at least one actor this is his first job. So it's brilliant to have that mixture of experience in the room.
I sort of started talking through all the scenes with people, just talking through the world that we're creating and who they are, and working out with Michael, who is stage manager, what's the role. So there's a really lovely camaraderie.
Everyone is so enthusiastic.
You're building a town, so you're building a community, and within that, in the rehearsal room, we're sort of building our own little community.
And it's such a remarkable play, so seeing everyone's response to that and everyone bringing their own experiences to it is just wonderful.